Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss new topic arithmetic progression, chapter number 5. Arithmetic progression means AP. In AP we consider the sequence. Okay, here we write first part 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Second part 12, 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3. Third part 3 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 4. In first part each term is 2 more. Each term is 2 more than previous term. Okay, means here difference 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, we consider the proper sequence. Okay, means each term is 2 more than previous term. In second part each term is less than, each term is 3 less than, each term is 3 less. 12 minus 3 9, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 3 3, 3 minus 3 0, 0 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, and in third part each term is in increasing power of 3. Each term is in increasing power of 3. 3 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2, like as. Okay, question number first. In this chapter mainly we will study the nth term of this pattern and method of find sum of consecutive terms. Sum of consecutive terms. Okay, nth term and sum of consecutive terms. First question, find the first term a and common difference d. Okay, in this chapter we mention first term a and common difference mention d. Okay, so question 6, 9, 12, 15. First term means first number. Okay, starting number is first term a is first term is 6. Common difference means next step minus previous step. Common difference means next step minus previous step, and in each case common difference is same. Okay, then series will be in AP. Mention 9, next step minus previous step, 9 minus 6, second step minus first step, 9 minus 6 3. Third step minus second step, 12 minus 9 3, 15 minus 12 3. In each case common difference are same, so this series are in AP. Second question, seventh part of first question, 3 minus 2 minus 7 minus 12. Same question, find first term and common difference. First term a is 3 and common difference d means second term minus first term, second term is minus 2 minus first term 3, minus 2 minus 3, it means minus 5. Okay, fourth part minus 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. A first term is a is minus 1, common difference d means second minus first, it means 1 by 4 minus 1, 1 by 4 minus minus plus 5 by 4. Okay, next question, if first term a and common difference d of AP is given, then find the first 4 terms of that progression. Okay, a and common difference d is given. A equal minus 1 and d is 1 by 2. Okay, calculate next 4 term. Next 4 term means let AP is a1, a2, a3, a4 dot 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 an. Okay, starting with a comma a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma a4 comma dot 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 ups to nth term. Okay, up to nth term. means according this exercise nth term of AP, formula of nth term of AP, identity of nth term of AP. Nth term of AP is an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, nth term of AP a plus n minus 1 into d. Put values of n equal 1, n equal 2, n equal 3, n equal 4, then calculate AP. Next, for first term put here n equal 1 in this identity. In this identity put n equal 1 for first term, put n equal 1. So n equal 1 means a1, n equal 1 means a1, a as it is, n equal 1, 1 minus 1 into d as it is. Okay, a1 as it is, a as it is, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into d, 0 means a1. First term is a, first term is a. Okay, for second term put n equal 2. So a2 means a plus 2 minus 1, 1 into d, a plus d. Second term is a plus d. Similarly third term a plus 2d, next term a plus 3d, next term a plus 4d, up to a plus nd. Okay, so therefore a first term is given, a equal minus 1 and d is given 1 by 2. Calculate next term. Next means a is given a plus d means put value of a and d. A is minus 1, d is 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Taking LCM, answer is minus 1 by 2. Next term calculate a plus 2d. A plus 2d means put value of a and d, 2 as it is. It means solve out 0. Next term a plus 3d, calculate a plus 3d, calculate 1 by 2. Next a plus 4d, a and d, put value of a and d, so 1. Okay. Next part, given a equal 20, d equal minus 3 by 4, d equal minus 3 by 4. Okay, calculate first 4 term means a, first term given, second term a plus d, calculate a plus d, put value of a equal 20, d equal minus 3 by 4, taking LCM is 4, 80 minus 3 divided by 4, 77 divided by 4. Okay, next a plus 2d means value of a is 20 plus 2 as it is, d is minus 3 by 4. Okay, 20 as it is, 2 cancel out, 3 by 2, taking LCM 37 divided by 2. Next term a plus 3d means a 20 plus 3 as it is, d is minus 3 by 4. So 20 as it is plus minus 9 by 4, taking LCM 71 divided by 4. Okay, next. Sorry. Question number third. Check the following list of term for AP. If any of them form an AP, then find its common difference and write the next 4 terms. Okay, first we check given series are in AP. Okay, yes or no. So first question, first part, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Okay, first we mention a means first term equal a equal 2. Then we mention common difference d means next term minus previous term, means second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third. Okay, so second minus first, second term is 5 by 2 minus first minus 2, taking LCM is 2, 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. Okay, third minus second third minus second means 3 minus 5 by 2, 3 minus 5 by 2, taking LCM 1 by 2. Okay, here common difference is same. Okay, in each term common difference is same. In each terms common difference is same. Okay, each term get same common difference या obtain same common difference. Okay, therefore this series are in AP. So calculate next four terms. Next four term means first, second, third, fourth. Four term are given, it means calculate next four. Fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth term calculate. Okay, fifth term means a plus a 4d. Fifth term a plus a 4d. A plus 4d, a equal 2, 4 as it is, d means 1 by 2, calculate 4. Sixth term, 6 means a plus a 5d, a plus a 5d, a 2 plus 5 as it is, d value of d 1 by 2, calculate 9 by 2. Seventh term, a plus 6d, a plus 6d, calculate 5. Eighth term, a plus a 7d. For eighth term, a plus a 7d, a plus 7d, 11 by 2. Okay, next part, next question, a comma a raised to power 2 comma a raised to power 3 comma a raised to power 4. Okay, first we check given series are in AP, yes or no. Okay, first term a equal a, first term is a, common difference d is next minus previous step, next a square minus a square minus a square means a multiply a multiply a, so common part is a, remaining part a minus 1. Third minus second, third a cube minus a cube minus a square, common part is a square, remaining part a minus 1. Okay, here same difference is not obtained every time. Okay, here common difference is not obtained every time. Okay, not same, so doesn't in AP, doesn't in AP. Okay, in first question we get same common difference, and in second part, this part, we get not same difference. Okay, next, next part, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. A first term is a is a equal root 2. Common difference d means second minus first term, second term minus first term, second term is root 8, first term is root 2. Okay, root 8 means we mention 2 root 2 minus root 2 as it is. Okay, common part is root 2, remaining part 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 means 1 into root 2, root 2. Okay, check next step, third term minus second term, third term is 18, second term is root 8. Okay, 18 means we mention 9 root 2, 8 means we mention 4 into 2, 9 means 3 root 2 as it is, minus as it is, 4 means 2 and root 2 as it is. Okay, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it means 1 root 2 yani root 2. Okay, similar, next step, fourth minus third, fourth means root 32 minus root 18, root 32 minus root 18, root 32 mention 16 into 2, 18, 9 into 2, 16 means 4 root 2 as it is, 9 means 3 root 2 as it is, means 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 equal root 2. Same difference is obtained every time. Okay, same difference is obtained every time, so this sequence is in AP. Okay, is in form of arithmetic progression. It means first, second, third and fourth. 4 steps are given. Next, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Next 4 terms are calculated. Fifth term means a plus 4d. A plus 4d. A equal root 2 and d equal root 2. Okay, so a plus 4d. Fifth term, a root 2, 4 as it is, d also root 2. So root 2 plus 4 root 2, it means 5 root 2. 5 root 2 means 5 root 2 as it is. 5 means 25, root 25. Root 25 equal 5. So 5 means 25. Then 25 into 2, root 50. Okay, 25 into 2, 50. It means root 50. So fifth term, root 50. Okay, next term, sixth term, a plus 5d. A plus 5th d, a plus 5d. A root 2, 5 as it is, 2. Okay, root 2 plus 5 root 2 means 6 root 2. 6 means 36 root 2 as it is. 36 into 2, root 72. So next term, root 72. Next, a7. Seventh term means a plus 6d. A plus 6d. A root 2, 6 root 2. 6 root 2 plus root 2, 7 root 2. 7 means 49, root 2 as it is. 49 into 2, root 98. Next term, eighth term, a plus 7d. A root 2, 7 root 2. 7 root 2 plus 1 root 2, 8 root 2. 8 means 64, root 2 as it is. 64 into 2, root 128. Okay. Next, exercise 9.2. Question first part. Find 10th term of AP. 10th term of AP. Okay. Series 2, 7, 12 up to n time. Okay. We know that nth term na, so identity of nth term is an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here in this series a equal 2 given, d means common difference, second minus first, 7 minus 2, 5, 12 minus 7 also 5. Okay, n number of term, 10th term, for 10th term na, find 10th term, so n equal given 10. Okay, it means these values are put in this identity. N equal 10, n equal 10, a 10, 10th term calculate, equal a means 2 plus n equal 10, 10 minus 1 into d equal 5. Calculate 10th term, 2 as it is, 10 minus 1, 9 into 5, 45. So 10th term is 2 plus 45, it means 47. So 10th term is 47 answer. 10th term 47 answer. Next question. Question second, first part. Which term of AP 21, 18, 15 up to is a minus 1, minus 81. Okay, let nth term of AP is minus 81. Let nth term is minus 81. So according to AP, a equal an. Nth term is we let 81. So an equal minus 81. A equal 21. D means 18 minus 21. Second minus first. 18 minus 21 minus 3. 15 minus 81 minus 3. Nth term, which term? Nth n calculate na, number calculate, so n equal calculate. Okay, according to this identity we know that an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. An means minus 81. An value of an minus 81. Okay, an equal minus 81 equal a means 21, n calculate, n minus 1 as it is, d value of d is minus 3, minus 81 as it is, 21 as it is, minus 3 into n, minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1, minus minus plus 3 into 1 3. Okay, minus 81 as it is, 21 and 3 24, 24 plus transferring on other side minus 24 equal minus 3n. Okay, minus 3n equal 81 and 24, 81 and 24 means minus 105. Minus minus cancel out, value of n equal 105 divided by 3, 105 divided by 3, it means 35. So which term of AP is minus 81? 35th term. Okay, 35th term is minus 81. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3. If 6th and 17th term of AP are 19 and 41 respectively, then find 40th term. Then find 40th term. Okay, 6th term means a plus 5d. 6 means a plus 5d. Okay, 17 means a plus 16. A plus 16. 6th term is given 19, so value of a plus 5d, a plus 5d equal 19, and 17th term is 41. 17 means a plus 16d equal 41. Okay, equation first and second. By equation first and second, subtract means sign change, plus convert into minus, plus convert into minus, plus convert into minus. Here minus a plus a cancel out, minus 16 plus 5, it means 16 minus 5 minus 11, minus 41 plus 19, 41 minus 19 minus 22. Okay, minus minus cancel out, d equal 22 divided by 11, it means d equal 2. D equal 2. Put d equal 2 in equation first. Put d equal 2 in equation first. So a plus 5 into 2 equal 19. Put d equal 2 in equation first. D equal 2 in equation first. A plus 5 into 2 equal 19. A equal 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10 means a equal 9. A equal 9. A equal 9 and d equal 2. A equal 9 and d equal 2. Okay, calculate 40th term. 40th term means a plus 39d. A plus 39d. A 9, 39 as it is, d equal 2. 39 into 2 plus 9, 87. So therefore 40th term 87 answer. Okay, thanks.